Today we're making stacked pumpkin topiaries. Start with your largest pumpkin and pull out the stem. Flip it over and glue fall foliage using E6000 Plus to the bottom. I love E6000 Plus for my outdoor projects and it adheres to so many different surfaces, including these foam faux pumpkins. Stack each pumpkin as you add the different foliage and progressively get smaller. Next, I'm going to be using E6000 Extreme Tack. I love that you can create your own glue dots. That's right, put those dots of glue on, let them dry overnight, and then they're sticky like a glue dot, which makes it great because you can secure your pumpkin, but then also take it out if you want to reuse your bucket. And last but not least, I added a pop of color so it'll look great on my front porch. All right, check it out. I made one for each side of my front door. I absolutely love how these turned out, and I know that E6000 products are going to be great for this outdoor project. Happy fall, y'all!